Yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy ENTHUSIAST, man, and you tuned in for another one. Got this product. Well, not product. Well, I guess technically it is like a product. It is a product. So, got this package in. Like I said, I'm trying to keep from buying stuff for the other box Chevy, the photo, and I'm trying to just focus on the Tudo for now. So all purchases going forward should be Tudo box Chevy related. And find a knife here. So I got a razor blade. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the package. That is one good thing about this tripod. Like 1 minute it could be holding, and the next minute set that bit down and let it do what it do, my boy. So yeah, I'll get this package open up. Hopefully the brightness is not too bright. Let's see. Yeah, it's a little bit kicked up, but y'all probably can barely even know, but I see it. Yeah, so in the package, 2 boxes. Got a sticker. This package is from OGM. Thumbnail. So yeah, inside of the box, 2 different packages. What are they? Impact strips. So these are the impact strips for the Tudo box Chevy. I bought the set front and rear. So let me show you. So on the front of the box Chevy, as you can tell, it was pretty much intact. So you get right here in front of the license plate, it's missing. And so you only got a corner piece over there. And then on the back of the Tudo, it's there, but it's like cracked all the hell up. So it's like crack, missing, gouge. So new impact strips is needed. Like I said, game time to tighten up. It is what it is. Y'all know that in the other video I was showing y'all that I had bought a rear bumper strip for that one, for the photo, but the Tudo needed both of them. So yeah, like OGM is where I caught these from. I'll put a link, or y'all can go to the website, man, however you want to do it. Yeah, front and back. I think which one is front and which one is back. Whichever one I got another one of in here, that's the back.
Garage door.
And this is the molding. I don't know if I'm gonna use this molding for Tudo. I mean, the Tudo needs molding. So yeah, this one is 164. 164. So that should be the rear one.
Garage door.
So yeah, 1644. Just right on there. Rear. And then front. Just so I can differentiate between which is which when I get ready to put them and install them. Yeah, like I said, a little short update. OGM got a lot of good parts. I mean, it's this OGM stuff. I don't think it's like a repopulated. I mean, it ain't a new old stock, but I mean, it is what it is. As long as we got it, look a whole lot better than if I don't. So yeah, the other get replaced when it's time. Yeah, front and rear both will get replaced as finishing touches at the very, very end. But as you can see, we still got a long way to go. Probably not as long as I'm making it seem. But I'll explain further in the next video. So yeah, make sure y'all keep it locked. If you need impact strips, holler at OGM, or holler at Chevy, or holler at Steve Davis, since a lot of people got them, or holler at Southside Imports. I mean, shop around, do what's best for your pockets, and go from there. It's your boy ENTHUSIAST 254. Identify your weaknesses, make it your strength. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. And remember, hustle don't stop, grind don't stop. Gone.